Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how do I activate the Nordea ID app on a new phone or tablet. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Nordea ID app. And now once you're inside here, you'll be seeing something like this. Simply tap on Let's Start. And once you tap on Let's Start here, you'll be asked to enter in the new username. Simply enter in the username and then tap on Next. And once you tap on Next here, you'll be asked to select your country. Simply tap on Nordea Sumoi or your country, and once you tap on that here, you'll be asked to select your language. Now simply tap on in English, and once you tap on that here, you'll be asked to select your customer type. Simply select Nordea personal banking customer. And now once you tap on that, you'll be asked to select your authentication method. Simply tap on activate on this device, and once you tap on that here, you'll be sent to this activate on this device page. Now all you gotta do is tap on continue, and on the third page you'll be asked to scan the code. Now what you need to do is open up your Nordea app on your old device, and now tap on this option that says activating on the device. And once you tap on that here, you'll be asked to enter in the username, user ID. Simply enter in the user ID and then tap on next. And the next thing it will ask is to enter your PIN. Simply enter in the PIN and then tap on confirm. And once you tap on confirm, you'll be given the permission to see the QR code of your Nordea account. Now all you gotta do is on the new device, simply tap on this scan code option, and once you tap on scan code, you'll be seeing this page. Now here you'll be asked to create a PIN. Simply tap on continue and create the PIN. Now enter in the PIN and then tap on next. Now the next page will ask you to confirm your PIN once again. Enter in the same PIN and then tap on confirm, and then you can now use the Nordea ID app. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.